Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Workspace, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Google Workspace, start by visiting the official Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter your business name. Type in the name of your organization and click Next. Next, provide the number of employees you have in your organization. Select either just you or the number of employees from the drop-down menu. Now, enter your business email address. If you don't have one, you can create a new one during this process. Click Next to proceed. You'll be asked to create an admin account. Fill in your first name, last name, and a password of your choice. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click Accept. You may now be asked to provide some additional business information. Input your country and a phone number for account verification. Once you confirm your phone number, Google will send a verification code. Retrieve the code from your phone and enter it in the provided field. Click Verify to continue. Now, you will need to set up your domain for Google Workspace. If you already own a domain, select Yes. If not, you can purchase a new one through Google. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your domain ownership. Once verified, you can set up your email accounts. Choose the appropriate settings for your email, then click Next. Review your order details and pricing options. When ready, confirm your purchase by clicking Proceed to Payment. Enter your payment information and submit your order. After processing, your Google Workspace account will be activated. You may now log into your admin console using your newly created admin account. From the admin console, explore additional settings and user management features. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.